up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from GuitarJams.com, bringing you guys a really easy but super fun, super rock and heavy, kind of song. A classic covered by a lot of people. I'm kind of, doing the Metallica kind of thing, but it's meant to be a nice, easy song to be able to play, but still rock out. Also, I've got a ton of lessons that can help you at my website, GuitarJams.com. I'll leave a link for Guitar Jams right down there. You can try it for free for 3 days. Check it out. It's got progressive lessons on there. If you really want to get into really learning guitar, I would love for you to go do that. But anyway, let's zoom in and break this down right now. Real quick, you got to be in drop D tunings, which is just a standard tuning, and then your lowest string here is dropped one whole step down. There's plenty of videos out there to get your, help you get into that tuning, but you got to be in that tuning to do this version of it. But that's it. It should be pretty easy, so hopefully we have fun. Let's do it! All right, so you got to be in drop D tuning, and you just match this low E with your D string here. So that's the tuning, and basically it starts like this. We're going to do lots of really fun and easy kind of one-finger chords. So we start on the 3rd fret, and we're covering this, what I normally call the low E string is now dropped to D, but we're going to cover the 3rd fret of the top string and the next string. And then you strum it. When you have lots of distortion, it gives you a real beefy power chord. Right now I'm just teaching it so I'm at a quiet setting so you can hear my voice. So we're going to start with that, then go down to the 2nd fret. Da 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 da. So 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and we're just aiming for these top 2 strings here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So that's that little intro section. It's as simple as that. I mean, you could really start doing this if you can get in that tuning and you have a distortion pedal on your amp. You can crank this up, have a ton of fun, and be playing with one finger. It's pretty good. It's pretty not bad. So now the next section, we'll call this the verse. It goes like this. 3rd fret on those top 2 strings. Like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then open, 2, 3, 4, and we're always going da 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 da. So once again, 3, open, then we're going to go all the way up to the 8th fret. Obviously play it that way, just showing you. And then back to the 3. That's it. Then it starts over. So that's all we got to do now. We got to go, we call this the pre-chorus, and we're going up to the 10th fret. 10, 2, 8, 8, 8, 8, again, 8, 8, now, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's rocking a tune that's recognizable basically with one finger. I mean, you need to be able to hold a pick and be in drop D tuning. But you can do it with one finger, pinky on top if you want, but I don't recommend it. So anyway, good luck with that. All right, that was it. I hope you got something from that. Remember, you can try my website for free for 3 days. Lots of great lessons on there. That link down there. Thanks so much for hanging out, and hopefully we'll see you in another lesson real soon. Take care.